Want to tell us what's going on? What's the situation?
I got hose.
Boats and hose.
Team Defiant.
Installed. We are running the lines for Reed's catch can as we speak, so that his car does not explode when we tune it.
Paid for labor.
You got a cutter for this?
Yeah.
Alright.
You want me to grab it?
Sure.
Okay. What was that, like Dora the Explorer thing that they do where they have to like, what tool should we use? Should we use L cutter? No, we're using the cutter. We're not using the wire wheel.
Jeez.
What? Right here. Hose cutter 5000. If you translate that.
Oh. Come on in, Robert, dude.
Dude, that's... Yeah, like 90% of your labor, dude, is actually putting the fittings on. Dude, these hoses need ratchet.
Even GTR owners can't do this shit. It's hard. Who the hell ran it through the wheel, dude? I don't know.
Give a fab like rundown.
Yeah, you did this.
That's metal. That's also metal. This is metal, but it's a softer metal encased in plastic. And this is also metal, but it's a different kind of metal than this metal. Pointing at the circle hole. That's right, the square hole.
Oh, man.
Hey, you got that dash cam footage?
I'm gonna pull up next to some dude on the highway. I'm gonna roll my window down. I'm gonna wave at him.
Hey Nick, can you weld my valve cover?
Do you got the valve cover off?
No.
Do you got the valve cover brake cleaned?
No.
Do you have the holes in the valve cover?
No.
Let me know when all three are done.
Bolt holder 5000. Just be careful, don't get the things in the thingers. Score. Ooh. See, this is what happens when you don't run a catch can. And this is just from like your car idling. Do you know that? Condensation.
So, okay.
So it's like when you run ethanol. That's why. This is why you run a catch can.
There goes your head gasket.
Really?
No, break this shit up, dude.
I'm a daredevil, dude.
Oh.
So I'm probably gonna end up just putting a little bend right here to bring it this way, and then that piece can get mounted in right there, and then it'll still be able to take all of the crankcase pressure and blow it through the sides and then underneath without all of the oil going directly into the two valves. Should say fittings.
It's extra labor, Nick. Charge him.
$100 an hour.
It's been a long hour, guys.
And I did the grindy thing, and that'll be like $1,000 in today's welders market.
All right.
So, welding cast, really porous, very dirty. Straight aluminum. Okay, so basically, since I put a bunch of heat right here, that valve cover is going to do one of these. So I got 2 shims on each side with a clamp in the middle to give it a little bit of cross tension, so as it cools, it cannot expand upward.
Yeah.
And I've already had one where it was actually like an 1/8 inch. And that's when I learned to... Yeah, what'd you do that for?
I'm gonna have to pay the fabricator.
Gotta push that stupid piston back.
Oh, the pistons were up there.
Nah, there's 2 back here. It's a 6 piston car.
Alright, did good work. Team Defiant.
Hey guys, welcome to Team Defiant. Here we are using a shit box to do some painting. Team Defiant.
So don't expect perfection and dimes on cast. I mean, you can probably get it, but that takes too much time.
Thank you.
Well,
Nope, it's backwards.
Thank you.
Yeah,
How do you
just-
know?
How do you know?
Oh,
You're a damn genius.
I'm a fucking mechanic, dude. I know what I'm doing.
Wait, who do you work for?
Team Defiant. RTV4. Just kidding. It's not in here. Wait, yes it is. Honda Bond 4.
This is how dreams are made of. Alright, so whoever put this 45 up here, you're fired.
You know who told me to put that up there? They're fired.
You know who told me to tell you to put that up there? You're fired.
Filtered.
Filtered.
Filtered breathing.
That's breathing out though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cherries. Cherry?
Did you know this car leaked?
Dude. A little bit of corrosion.
It leaked on my pants, dude.
So scared of the amount of power this car is gonna make.
Yeah, dude, look, he's got a maintenance light flashing on his dash. It's terrifying.
Okay, man, I'll fit. I'll fit.
spark plugs?
Well, you did.
Oh, that's right. 455.
Yeah.
His speedo ain't working.
Yeah, and you're.
That shit's awesome.
Lost the light bulb. Was it quick at least? Oh, damn, do my ears still hurt from that shit.
What do you think, Nick?
That's fucking killer, dude.
No, it's leaking past the hose.
Oh.
Hitting boost too fast.
Why?
So much suck.
Well, we found that the blow-off valve was ran to the piping, which would be the boost reference for the boost controller, and then the controller was ran to the T-fitting, which at the manifold could be used as a reference as well, but we're gonna go ahead and swap those and see if that kind of helps with some issues we're having, because right now we should be seeing about 10 psi and we're seeing about 15, so we keep hitting boost cut at 14 pounds.
I've been on for a while.
No traction. Today we got that Integra knocked out for reed, wire, mirror. We got some vacuum lines fixed up on it. We got the valve cover fittings welded into the valve cover thanks to Nick. We got all the catch can lines done up, so we got those ran from the valve cover from the block to the catch can, and we got started on a quick little street map for it. So should be it. A little touch up in the high-speed VTEC tables, and 2 steps dialed in, fix a couple sensors, check some fuses over, but this thing should be ready to rip this week.
Team defined. You gotta get like a
We're speeding up, the car's just gliding.
team defined.
Team defiant.
That's kind of fun.
Hit them up on Facebook. Know what to do.
And OnlyFans.